Hi, welcome back to This Lovely Stitch. On this channel, we create what we love and explore the creative process. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to make a double crochet. So double crochet is one of the most foundational stitches in crochet, and it can be used to make all types of projects and start all kinds of other stitch patterns. So to start off, you're just going to make your slip knot and chain, however many chains the pattern says to make. For this tutorial, I'll be doing 12 chains. Now, usually patterns will say to do 2 extra chains beyond whatever they ask for, just because double crochet stitches are a little bit higher and therefore they need a little bit of extra room in order to make the sides of the whatever you're working on even. So for this, I'm going to chain 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, one more, 12. And then I'm going to go for my first stitch into the 3rd chain from my hook. So we have 1, 2, 3. So to start your double crochet, you're going to yarn over, so yarn over once, then you're going to insert your hook into the next chain. So for this one, it would be the 3rd chain from the hook. And then you can see that there's 3 chains or 3 loops on the hook. What you're going to do next is yarn over again, so now we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put the 3rd chain from the bottom, so 1, 2, 3, over that yarn over we just made, like this. Now we have 3 chains left on the hook. So this is where the double part of double crochet comes in. We yarn over, pull through 2. Now that we have 2 left, yarn over, pull through the next 2. And now we have 1 double crochet. So just to show those steps again, you yarn over, insert your hook into the chain. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 1, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 again. All right, one more time, yarn over, 2 loops, insert your hook into the chain or into the stitch. That's 3 loops, yarn over, 4 loops, pull through 1, 3 loops, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. So I'm going to do that the rest of the way down, and then I'll come back and show you how to turn your work. Okay, so I'm back. As you can see, I've gotten to the end of my round. So this is what 1 row of double crochet would look like. So to turn my work and go back over the same row, I'm going to chain 2. So 1 and then 2. Now, depending on what pattern you're using, they may tell you something different, but the standard way to turn your work for double crochets is to chain 2. So now we just repeat those same steps I showed you before. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over again and pull through 1 loop, so 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops left on the hook. Yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. And over again. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and there you go. So just for reference, I'm going to do 10 rows of this, 10 rows total. That way you can see what a 10 by 10 square would look like when it's all worked up. And you can just kind of see for yourself, following along, how big your gauge is for future projects. So I'll be back when I finish those 10 rows. Okay, so I'm back. Here is what 10 rows looks like. As you can see, it's more of a rectangle than a square, and that's just because half double crochet grows a lot. So if you're crocheting with half double crochet and it looks like it's growing really quickly, don't be alarmed, you are doing the right stitch. It's just a stitch that grows a lot. So it's a really good stitch in my experience for things like sweaters, scarves, definitely blankets, because although those are really beautiful projects, usually they take a long time to complete if you're using a shorter stitch, whereas double crochet still looks nice, not too holy in my experience, and you can crochet something without it taking a billion years. So anyway, that is the half double crochet stitch. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment down below what other stitches or techniques you'd like to see in next week's video. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.